Good day, children. Sairam. Today we are having English dictation test of chapter number 7, Marie Curie. There are 20 words. I will read each word 3 times and give you time to write each word. Later, I will show you the correct spellings of the words. You have to cross check and put a tick mark if the spelling is correct and a cross if it is wrong. You have to write the correct spelling 3 times for the wrong words. So be ready with your book or paper, pencil and eraser. So let's start. First word, appetite. 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 Second word, effortlessly. 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 Third word, fluently. 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 Fourth word, astonished. 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 Fifth word, horrified. 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 Sixth word, siblings. 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 Seventh word, frightened. 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 Eighth word, adjoining. 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 Ninth word, struggling. 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 Tenth word, afflicted. 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 11th word, incurable. 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 12th word, recuperation. 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 13th word, sanatorium. sanatorium, sanatorium. 14th word, diligent, diligent, diligent. 15th word, premature, premature, premature. 16th word, boisterous, boisterous, boisterous. 17th word, forbidden, forbidden, forbidden. 18th word, flawless, flawless, flawless. 19th word, ordeal, ordeal, ordeal. 20th word, exhausted, exhausted, exhausted. Okay children, now I will show you all the correct spellings. Please cross check with the ones you have written. First word, appetite. A-P-P-E-T-I-T-E, appetite. Second word, effortlessly. E-F-F-O-R-T-L-E-S-S-L-Y, effortlessly. Third word, fluently. F-L-U-E-N-T-L-Y, fluently. Fourth word, astonished. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H-E-D, astonished. Fifth word, horrified. H-O-R-R-I-F-I-E-D, horrified. Sixth word, siblings. S-I-B-L-I-G-L-I-N-G-S, siblings. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S, siblings. Seventh word, frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened. Eighth word, adjoining. A-D-J-O-I-N-I-N-G, adjoining. Ninth word, struggling. S-T-R-U-G-G-L-I-N-G, struggling. Tenth word, afflicted. A-F-F-L-I-C-T-E-D, afflicted. 11th word, incurable. INCURABLE, incurable. 12th word, recuperation. RECUPERATION, recuperation. 13th word, sanatorium. SANATORIUM, sanatorium. 14th word, diligent. DILIGENT, diligent. Premature. PREMATURE, premature. 16th word, boisterous. BOISTEROUS, boisterous. 17th word, forbidden. FORBIDDEN, forbidden. 18th word, flawless. FLAWLESS, flawless. 19th word, ordeal. ORDEAL, ordeal. And the last 20th word, exhausted. EXHAUSTED, exhausted. Okay children, I hope you all have got the spellings right. But in case if some spellings are wrong, write it down 3 times and revise them well. See you in the next class. Thank you children.